guys, Stephen Hamby here again with Dent Hogs Paintless Dent Repair, bringing you another motorcycle video. I know we haven't done one of these in a while. So today we're going to be working on a 2018 Harley Davidson Fatboy. This bike was dropped while at the dealership coming in on trade. Put a pretty big dent in the tank and chipped the paint also. They're not concerned about the paint, they're just going to touch it up, but we're going to be removing the dent with Paintless Dent Repair today.
You can see it's pretty stout, deep little shot right on the bend. It's got a nice little crown bowing out down here at the base of it. We have it set up on our vise. We actually have a plate mounted to where the fuel injection goes with two pre-drilled holes so we can get our tools in there and leverage on the backside and shape it out. And we're going to be using one of our new lenses that we got from Tequila, the Tequila line, Anson PDR. Woody Cost with Dead On Dent Tools designed these lenses.
Performing paintless dent repair on motorcycles is extremely challenging. The metal's much thicker and harder to work, and it's harder to gain access inside most of these gas tanks. While performing these types of repairs, oftentimes we'll use a heat gun to keep the metal and paint nice and hot during the repair. This will help minimize any chance or risk of the paint cracking under the stress of shaping it out from the inside. During these repairs, we will also use a wide variety of knockdowns and blending hammers to take care of the little high spots that emerge during the repair. Panning across the repair, you can see that the metal has all been smoothed back out. The only evidence that there was ever any damage to this tank is that little chip on the paint. So we're going to have a look at it out in the natural light as well, just to make sure that the repair looks as good outside as it did underneath our dent repair lights. Alright everyone, again I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video. If you have any dents on your gas tank or fender, or if you're in need of an automotive dent repair, just give us a call at 678-544-3004, or you can find us on our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. Alright, appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.